Is it legal to shoot an intruder? Have you ever wondered what your rights are when it comes to defending your home? The question of whether it is legal to shoot an intruder is a serious one, often tied to laws like the Castle Doctrine and Stand Your Ground laws. These laws are significant in discussions about Second Amendment rights and the role of firearms in society. From a Republican perspective, which typically supports strong Second Amendment rights, it is generally legal to shoot an intruder under specific conditions. The Castle Doctrine allows individuals to use deadly force to protect their home without needing to retreat when faced with an unlawful entry. This means if someone breaks into your home, you can defend yourself and your family. Stand Your Ground laws take this a step further. They allow individuals to use force, including deadly force, in any location where they have a legal right to be. This means if you believe you are facing an imminent threat of death or serious injury, you do not have to retreat. However, it is essential to understand what constitutes a reasonable belief of threat. Simply seeing an intruder on your property does not automatically justify using deadly force. There must be a clear perception of an imminent danger. For example, if an intruder is armed or making threatening gestures, that could justify a defensive response. Interestingly, the laws do not require the intruder to be armed for you to act in self-defense. Your reasonable belief of a threat is what matters most. Additionally, threatening to shoot or showing a weapon can be lawful if it is meant to deter the intruder. However, actually using deadly force must meet strict justification standards. It is also worth noting that shooting a fleeing intruder may not be justified if the threat is no longer present. The laws provide a legal defense against prosecution for using deadly force, but the circumstances must align with the law's requirements. Homeowners should familiarize themselves with their state's specific Castle Doctrine and Stand Your Ground laws, as these can vary significantly. In the event of a home invasion, individuals may legally use a firearm to stop the intruder if they genuinely fear for their safety or that of their loved ones. After any incident involving the use of deadly force, it is advisable to contact law enforcement immediately and seek legal counsel to navigate the potential legal proceedings. Many Republicans advocate for the right to protect one's home and family without facing unnecessary legal consequences when acting in self-defense. In summary, under the Castle Doctrine and Stand Your Ground laws, it is legal to shoot an intruder if you reasonably believe that deadly force is necessary to prevent imminent death or serious injury. These laws reinforce the idea that a person's home is their sanctuary, and they have the right to defend it against unlawful threats.